Hi, fellow creatives. Today we're going to mat an original alcohol ink. And here I have laid my alcohol ink, which is a 11 by 14 on a mat. And I'm going to use some tape. This is archival masking tape. Well, not a masking tape, but art tape. So put a strip of your tape. I put one at the top and bottom for sure, and I usually add an extra one on the sides for more security. Flip it over, and on this particular piece I'm going to add a top mat, and the reason I did this was the piece was too small for the big mat, and I just think, well, it'll look good, so what the heck. So I'm putting that on there. Now I need to adhere the top mat to the bottom mat. So I'm just going to use a little bit of glue on the four corners. And then we'll put the top mat on. There's our baseboard. So you've got a backer board that goes behind the whole thing. And I have chosen to have the black on the outside. So now I'm laying on the top mat. I think it'll look good. Checking my tape, make sure everything's a-okay. Back with the mat again. Yeah, do double and triple check before you start putting some glue down. Make sure you're putting the glue in the right place. So here I have some glue, stick glue, and I just put a little bit in each corner, and then we attach it. Probably be a good idea to weight it down, but I'm going to just go through this whole process with you before I weight it down. So make it nice and smooth. And then I have that little space in the bottom. I'm going to put my signature not on the piece, but on the mat, the inside mat board. And I did that in pencil. So now we're going to flip it over. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? See if this is going to fit. Yep, it'll fit. Oh, we got that. Okay, when you're packaging your media, I always like to put my bio and one of my cards on the back. That way, if a gallery sells it, the customer will know how to contact me if they so desire. So I just put that right there. And I'll put my card right beside it. There we go. And I'm going to, let's see if this works. No, that one doesn't work. Let's go with this one, see if it works. Okay. Mystic Forest. $2023. Does not look artistic. All right, there we go. Look at that. And this one is available. It is 16 by 20. Make sure this is dry before I go and put it in the bag. All right. And flip it around. I'll put it in the bag. It's going to be a tight fit. There we go. Oops, oh, I just ripped it. Ripped. Okay. Well, we'll just protect it for now. I'm going to seal that up. There we go. I have a tiny tear back right here, but I will replace this. Hey guys, if you're liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Have a great day and happy Thanksgiving. It's tomorrow. Bye for now.